Hi everyone, welcome back to Secure 7. Today's we are diving into the essentials topics for a network security and ethical hacking. Network scanning tools. Whether you are a cybersecurity enthusiast and IT professionals or just curious, this video will help you to understand the tools used, analyze and secure networks. Let's get started. First we have what is network scanning. Before we jump into the tools, let's first understand the what network scanning is. Simply put, network scanning is the process of identify active device on a network, analyze their vulnerabilities, and gathering information about open ports, IP address, and services running on those devices. Ethical hackers and system administrator use these techniques to strengthen network security. Imagine you are a network administrator at a company and you want to ensure there are no unauthorized devices connected to your networks. Using a network scanning tools. You can identify all the active devices and check their security risks. Here is the common networking tools. Is first up we have set up our virtual lab, which is here is the vulnerable machines and given the IP address for the scanning process. So here is my Kali Linux terminal, and here you can see our first tool is the Nmap. First up, we have a Nmap, the most popular network scanning tools. It's open source and widely used for a network discovery and security auditing. With the Nmap, you can detect device, open ports, services, and even operating systems. Let's say you want to find out which device are online in your use the command like nmap-sp, and here you can see the nmap is running. Nmap help command is running. You can see here which is sl, sn, pn, all the different scans is here, and you put your options in the command and just throw the command, and I will show you the some example here, which is nmap and dash sv and dash sc port options I choose, and dash pn I choose, and here is our vulnerable IP address, and hit enter, finding the details of our IP address. And here you can see nmap finding all the details about the IP address and finding which service, which port is open and which port have any other details. So here you can see some results is here, which is Nmap have the FTP port is open. FTP mostly used for a file transfer protocol, and second port is SSH, which is a secure shell port, which is we have access the machines, terminals, and all the things. We routed the command line. And next we have HTTP. So here port 80 is open. So port 80 only we can use for a web browser, and we check the port 80 in the web browser. Okay, and here the all the informations what are they running on the vulnerable machines, and which background is Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, all the things you will get, and you will get the MAC address of the machines, and that's all. That's all about the Nmap. Now we have next command is our next command is hping 3. Here is the help command of hping3. Next we have a hping3, a powerful command line tool used for TCP IP packets manipulations. If allow users to send a custom packets, perform network scanning, and even test firewall rules. Suppose you want to test a specific port on the web servers is open. You can use commands like here we type the command which is hping3. Sorry, hping3 and S and typing our 192.168 vulnerable IP address 104. Okay, and just type P and port 80. So this command says like sending a port 80 request to the vulnerable machines, and vulnerable machines say like yes, I have a port 80, so send it back, and here machine gives you a port 80 is running. So here you can see I stopping this command, and here you can see sending the request, and request is back. So here is the port 80 is open. We try all the ports in hping 3. Now we have a Metasploit host. So we start MSF console. For the console, Metasploit is not just a scanning tool but a complete penetration testing framework. It helps security professionals exploit vulnerabilities, run payload, and access network security. Imagine you are testing your company internal security, internal server security. You can use Metasploit scanner module to check a vulnerability with. So here is the vulnerability which is exploit payload. You just say payload. So here is the we are using auxiliary scanner port scan. Sorry, port scan and TCP. Enter, and here the auxiliaries module is running and the payload is exploit is running, and now we have the options command, and you can see here which is ports are 1 to 1 10,000 ports are checking, and our host is not set. So we set the our host with the set command, which our host is 192.168.0.104 is our host. We are okay. Set I forget about it. I mentioned the our host here and hit enter. You can see our host is set, and we trying to again options command here you can see, and running this command. As you can see here, we have previously checking the nmap command, and we see the commands which ports is open. So here you can see port 2022 and port 80 is open in this IP address. Okay, so now we have next tool which is a NetScanTools Pro, and NetScanTools Pro is a commercial network analysis toolkit designed for professionals. It includes the features like packet capture, DNS tools, ping sweeps, and port scanning. If you are an IT administrator Needing a complete analysis of your company's networks, you can run the automated scanning using the NetScanTools Pro to generate a report for all the connected devices and their security status. Remember, network scanning should be always be done with the permissions. Unauthorized scanning can be illegal and considered an attack. Always use the tools responsibly and ethically. I use these tools in my virtual networks, which I created in my local machine. So don't, if you want to practice, set up a test networks at a home or use legal penetration testing environments like Hack the Box or Try Hack Me. We cover some of the most widely used network scanning tools, their features, and best practices. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more cybersecurity content, let me know in the comments which tool you want me to dive deeper into. And until next time, stay secure. Sign out.